Let's transfer iPhone photos to computer wirelessly. First of all, connect your iPhone and your computer in same Wi-Fi network. Then on your computer, open a browser and open this website pairdrop.net. Then on your iPhone, open a browser. You can use any browser and open the same website pairdrop.net. And now on your iPhone screen here, you will find your computer. Just tap on your computer device and here tap on photo library. And now go ahead and select one or multiple photos from your iPhone library and tap on add. And in your computer, just tap on accept to start receiving. And these photos will be automatically downloaded. Just go to your file explorer, go to downloads folder, and here you will find the zip file. Just extract the zip file just like this. And open the folder, and here you will find all photos you share from your iPhone just like this.